Hello everyone. In this video, we will quickly run through the highlights of the newest updates that Power BI has received in the last few months. I've selected the latest and greatest features, so hang on tight as we go through this journey. These changes have happened in three main areas: reporting, analytics, and the Power BI service. Here's a quick look at the new features in reporting: rectangular lasso select for data points, on-canvas watermarks, Smart Narratives AI visual, personalized visuals, and the new field and model view. Let's quickly go through them. Firstly, we have a feature called Rectangular Lasso Select for data points. You can now create a selection rectangle to select data points within a visual for some visual types. Simply hold down the Control key while clicking and dragging within a visual. Next, we have on-canvas watermarks. On-canvas watermarks are a new feature targeted at new Power BI users. It acts as a guide and shows them their very first steps to get data, populate the fields pane, as well as create visuals. We also have a new AI visual, Smart Narratives. The Smart Narrative visualization helps you to quickly summarize visuals by generating a text narrative. This is great for addressing key takeaways and highlighting trends. Next up, personalized visuals is now generally available. End users can now make tweaks to visualizations in the reading view. This means that they can now rearrange columns in the table as they are viewing or change the visualization type. Users can make bookmarks to save the changes, and any personalizations that are not saved do not affect the report. Lastly, Power BI has a new field list and model view. The field list across the data, model, and report view in Power BI Desktop has been updated. Adding to this, the model view has been updated with improvements such as data type icons and the ability to pin keys to the top of the table. For analytics, we now have direct query support for Q&A. Q&A also now supports arithmetic operations. Another cool new feature in analytics is anomaly detection. Let's quickly go through them. First up, direct query support for Q&A. You can now use Q&A even if you are connected via SQL Direct Query. SQL Direct Query sources include SQL Server 2019, Azure SQL Database, and Azure Synapse Analytics. The next new Q&A feature is that Q&A now supports arithmetic operations. You can now ask Q&A to add, subtract, divide, or multiply. A useful example of this would be summing the sales value of multiple regions. The last cool feature is anomaly detection. This is a new feature for line charts that detects anomalies in time series data. It also provides explanations for anomalies to help with root cause analysis. In the Power BI service, we now have data lineage and impact analysis enhancements, as well as Power BI Premium per user in preview. Let's have a quick look at data lineage and impact analysis enhancements. Searching has been added to Lineage View in Power BI Service. You can now search across all your content in the workspace, as well as view the data source impact analysis in Lineage View. In case you haven't heard, Power BI Premium per user is now in preview and is coming out very soon. Premium per user is a new way to license premium features on a per user basis. This provides much more flexibility than premium on the current per capacity licensing model. This means access to Power BI Premium at a lower cost entry price point. Those were just some of the cool new features that were added to Power BI in the last few months. For more, simply head on over to the Power BI blog where you can find the latest and greatest updates hot off the press. Thanks for watching.